What's up, everyone? For today's video, I'm going to do a story time on how I started the journey to acquire Labubus. Starting with this Lafufu! Ayun. So, kwento ko lang. Before we start, let me just be clear. I do not support fakes. It's just that it's a fake Labubu that actually made me start to get interested with Labubus. So, ayun. That's just a quick disclaimer. So, let me start off with this first fake Labubu that I got. And also, I'll give you a quick show of my current Labubu collection. And then, also, we'll unbox this together. Now, this is not a fake Labubu, guys. This is an original Labubu that was customized. So, I'm not sure if I can also recommend their shop because technically, minodify yung original Labubu. So, I'm not sure if that's considered fake. But you can comment down below and just confirm if it's a fake or if it's okay because it's custom. So it's not I don't think it's fake if it's custom. But anyway. Yeah, so we'll start. So dumaan ako sa parang um sa Mongkok market, night market or ladies market ba tawag doon? One day before kami umuwi naman from Hong Kong. And I found this labubu nakasabit. Tapos sabi ko, I hate labubus, pero nung nakita ko 'to talaga, ang ganda niya lalo na nung nilagay siya dun sa green kong bag. So sabi ko, should I start collecting labubus? Pero ayun, sinabit agad nung tindera dun sa bag ko. Tapos dun ko nakita na ang ganda pala ng mga labubus. So ayan, yun lang yung quick story. Tapos bigla ako na-addict sa labubu. Agad-agad, since nasa Hong Kong na kami, pumunta na kami sa Pop Mart. Tapos sa Pop Mart sa Hong Kong, walang labubus. So, sobrang na-addict na talaga ako, guys. I mean, hindi naman addict, parang sobra akong na-desperate. Hindi naman desperate, sorry. Sobra akong na hindi mapakali to buy an original one. So, the first original labubu I got was from the Energy series. Something in your Energy series. Big into Energy series. So, ayun, ito siya. It's so cute, guys. It's the Love Red Abubu. The Love Red Labubu. And it's sobrang cute, guys. Nakita nyo? It is, sobrang cute. So, ayun, mas lalo ako na-addict kasi ang cute-cute nito, guys. And, ayan yung kulay niya. This is the back. Ang ganda kasi nung tie-dyeing. Tie-dye daw ata to eh. Itong parang pula. So, hindi pure pula kasi medyo dinaday yung mga lugar. So, ang perfect lang nung placements ng mga pula na nakuha ko. Kasi yung ibang nakita ko sa mga unboxing nila, minsan sobrang pula, minsan yung iba naman sobrang pink. So, this one, saktong-sakto lang. So, this is my first labubu. And then, dahil nga na hindi ako mapakali and sobrang ganda nito, kumuha pa ako ng isa. And the second one that I got is from the sitting series ba? Yeah, the sitting series. So, ayan. It's this one. It's Zuzu ba pangalan nito or Lulu? Basta it's the sleeping purple labubu. Ang cute-cute niya. Dati hindi ko to talaga gusto, pero pag sa personal talaga pag nakikita mo sila, ang cute talaga, no? And ayan, sobrang cute niya. Mas maganda yung fur niya compared to this one, pero ito kasi mas malambot. And parang mas gusto ko kasi yung nakabukas yung ano niya. So ayan, I have two now. Gusto ko nang bumili nung Universe um, Labubu. Yun naman yung next na gusto kong kunin. However, malaking stuffed toy pala siya. So, hindi ko gusto kasi yung sobrang laki. Kasi kita nyo naman nga in my videos, wala na nga akong studio. Tapos ang gulo-gulo na nga ng apartment. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ilalagay yung labu, yung malaking yon. So, since gusto ko lang ma-end na yung pagkakolek ko ng labubus, I got the small labubus and the mini labubus. The first one I got is this one. Now, I have to admit I got this by mistake kasi mas gusto ko yung darker colors. But this is green and I like this one kasi mahilig nga ako sa green. Although it's not my favorite color, pero yun nga, mahilig ako sa green. And this is the first mini labubu I got. And then, since nga hindi siya yung gusto kong yung color palette, kumuha na naman ako ng edition na yung sa dark, Labubus. And this is the one that I got. This is the actual one that I like the color kasi, and this is why, I think this is brown yung ears niya, pero parang yellow or golden tong, tong fur niya. So, I like this one. And after that, para lang I can satisfy my Labubu cravings, I also got a figurine. Only one kasi hindi nga ako mahilig masyado sa kung ano man ang mga display. So, I got this one and it's so cute. Gusto ko sana yung pula, yung version nito na pula, pero alam mo naman sa blind box, you don't get what you really want. So, I got this one. And okay na siya. Um, Ayun. So, those are my current Labubu collections. And after that, kwento ko naman kung bakit meron akong itong custom. Kasi nga, kung tandaan nyo kanina, gusto ko yung Big to Universe, something Universe Labubu, na sobrang laki. But I wanted that as a bag pendant or yun nga, yung bag um, plushie. So I found someone online that does customizations, and from what I'm told, those are she or he uses original labubus and does the tie dyeing himself or herself. So we'll unbox this, and this is the big into yung universe nga na Labubu, but a bag version. Because she customized, I think, a Coca-Cola Labubu or something, a white one, to dye it to this color. So we'll see. Yeah, ito talaga sa mga excited ko, guys. So let's unbox it. What is this? Ay, ang ganda. Meron pa siyang mga para, ano, so cute! It's this one. Charan! We'll unbox it out of the plastic para mas ma-appreciate natin. What also is in the box is also a freebie. And this is the ugly labubus. I think dito tayo na-introduce, diba? Yung mga ugly labubus. So, ayan. And this one is the freebie. Thank you so much, seller or whatever. Ayan. So, we'll unpack. Balik ko lang muna yung mga nadumi ko para hindi marunong. Ayan. So, ang galing. This was packaged nicely. So, we're going to unpack this because it's inside the plastic. Una talaga, I expected it to be sobrang ugly. Pero, did not disappoint. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Ito na. We're unpacking it in 3, 2... It's the Universe Labubu color in a bag Labubu. In a na pwede siya maging backpack. Ang cute, guys. Although, for them to make the color like that, the eye color like that, I think they did something to the eye. If you can see it sa camera, although I can see it kasi sa personal, parang medyo hindi na to yung original na plastic ata ng mata. But sobrang cute guys, sobrang cute. Tapos kuhang-kuha niya yung parang tie-dyeing kasi um although medyo parang flat, so let's just fluff it a bit. Kasi syempre na dahil sa delivery or something, medyo na flat na siya. The fur itself feels original. Pero parang hindi kasi the ears. Hindi. Let's compare it with the fake Labubu kasi yung fake Labubu kasi ganito yung itsura. And there and this one is the customized Labubu. They look quite different kasi parang mas malapit kasi yung mata ng fake Labubu versus yung ito, customized Labubu. And also, the original Labubus also is mas malalayo yung mata. So, it really looks like an original one. I think nagmumukha lang siyang fake kasi nga na-customize na yung mata. So, dahil yung mata is parang nilagyan ng ano sa loob, ng rainbow color yung loob. So, ayun. Pero it's still sobrang ganda guys. And yung first sample na sinend sa akin yung nagko-customize is yung heart kasi is parang sobrang layo dun sa original. But this one looks longer. So, ang ganda nito guys. And, ayan, it's a pearl necklace. And ayun, may heart. Yun nga lang, syempre wala siyang engraved from the original, alam mo yun sa original na big universe Labubu. So, kasi, customized nga lang to. So, nilagyan niya lang siguro to, nahanap lang niya siguro sa internet. Pwede ata ito maging bracelet. We'll see if it can be a bracelet. Pero, ayan guys, sobrang happy ko with this Labubu. Sobrang cute. And, ayan lang. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like these videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. And also, it's just a simple Labubu video, but if you actually want travel vlogs or tech unboxing vlogs, I also have those in my channel. So please do subscribe. But if you like videos like this, simple videos, I hope you like this video. So please comment and share and like. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.